Today I am reviewing Beelink SER5 MAX Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Today, let's take a deep dive into the Beelink SER5 MAX Mini PC, a compact powerhouse that's been making waves in 2025 for users who need both portability and performance in one sleek package. If you've been considering a mini desktop computer for business, gaming, multimedia, or even creative design work, this little machine deserves your attention. At the heart of the SER5 MAX is the AMD Ryzen 7 6800U processor. This isn't just any processor. It's based on AMD's efficient Zen 3 Plus architecture, giving you 8 cores and 16 threads with speeds that boost up to 4.7 GHz. What does that mean in real-world use? It means smooth multitasking, quicker load times, and the ability to handle demanding workloads like video editing, 3D rendering, and even large-scale business applications without slowing down. In fact, in many benchmark tests, this 6800U even outperformed the more traditional laptop-focused Ryzen 7 6800H, which shows just how powerful this little box really is. Now, performance isn't just about the CPU. Graphics matter too. The SER5 MAX comes with an integrated AMD Radeon 12-core GPU clocked at 2,200 MHz. While it's technically integrated, don't underestimate it. It's powerful enough to comfortably run today's most popular games at 4K resolution, 60 frames per second. Whether you're into competitive titles like Apex Legends, Fortnite, League of Legends, or CSGO, or you want to dive into story-rich games like GTA 5 or Genshin Impact, this mini PC is more than capable. For casual and even mid-tier gaming, it's a fantastic option that doesn't compromise quality. Moving on to memory and storage, and this is one of the biggest highlights, the Beelink SER5 MAX comes with 32 GB of dual-channel LPDDR5 RAM. This is high-speed memory designed to minimize latency, and it makes multitasking effortless. You can run multiple browser tabs, editing software, streaming, and other applications side by side with zero slowdown. On top of that, it includes a 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD. This means blazing fast read and write speeds, quicker boot times, and near-instant access to your files. If 1TB isn't enough for your workflow, you can expand storage up to 8TB thanks to its dual SSD slots. That's a level of flexibility that's rare in the mini PC market. But what about cooling? A common issue with compact systems is heat buildup. Fortunately, the SER5 MAX solves this with an advanced silent cooling system. It features a CPU fan, heat sink, and heat pipes for efficient thermal management. Even under heavy gaming sessions or demanding workloads, the temperature stays well below 80 degrees Celsius, and the fan noise remains whisper quiet, averaging under 39 decibels. In normal office use, it's practically silent at under 32 decibels, making it perfect for work environments or bedrooms where noise can be distracting. Connectivity is another strong point. This machine includes Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring fast, stable wireless connections. For wired setups, you've got plenty of ports: USB 3.2 Gen 2, HDMI, DisplayPort 1.4, Type-C, and LAN support. With multiple video outputs, you can easily run dual or even triple monitor setups, which is fantastic for productivity, stock trading, or creative design. The mini PC also supports Wake on LAN and Auto Power On, adding convenience for remote workers and IT-managed environments. Design-wise, the SER5 MAX is sleek and compact, measuring under 5 inches in width and depth and only 1.65 inches in height. Despite its small footprint, it's packed with power. You can easily mount it behind a monitor, place it on your desk, or carry it in a backpack, making it ideal for professionals on the go. To top it all off, Beelink includes a 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer support. The brand has passed certifications like CE, FCC, EMC, and ROSE, giving users confidence in reliability and safety standards. So, who is the Beelink SER5 MAX really for? If you're a gamer looking for a compact yet powerful machine, it delivers smooth performance. If you're a content creator, the combination of high-speed RAM, Fast storage and excellent cooling makes it perfect for video editing, music production, and graphic design. And if you're a business professional, you'll love its multitasking power, silent operation, and portability. In short, the Beelink SER5 MAX mini PC with AMD Ryzen 7 6800U, 32GB LPDDR5 RAM, and 1TB SSD is a high-performance, versatile computer that punches well above its weight. Whether it's for gaming, business, or creative work, it offers the kind of performance you'd expect from a full-size desktop, but in a much smaller, energy-efficient, and stylish form factor. If you've been searching for a mini PC that doesn't cut corners and gives you true desktop-class power in a tiny package, the Beelink SER5 MAX should definitely be on your shortlist.